home.
Spread out and lock it down. They'll never get her home now.
Oh yeah.
I think they're really good for great.
So when you're ready to make your next car purchase, make sure it's Happy Birthday. Your children are toxic to monsters, but that's what you find in toxic and you would never have ever been toxic to reach in Monstropolis.
Atención visitantes, para sus propias seguridad, las manos, brazos, pies, piernas y colas dentro de casa y mantener sus hijos.
Attention visitors, for your safety while motoring through Monstropolis, please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi. And be sure to supervise your little monsters. Thank you.
Atención visitantes, para su propia seguridad, durante el paseo por Monstropolis, mantengan las manos, brazos, pies, piernas y tentáculos dentro del taxi.
Hello, if you are new to the area, the Monstropolis City Roadrunners would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to for special reports. If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
Can either confirm or deny the presence of a human child here tonight. I tried to run from it, but with its mind powers, it shook me like a dog. It's true. I saw the whole thing. Happy birthday, Schmoozy Poo.
Oh, googly bear!
It's human child Rosie with its telepathic control. You made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with the...
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Sweet monster in the sky, save me!
Michael Wazowski, and on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
Yeah, I understand.
Come on, this way.
Where is Monstropolis City?
nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I got a boost to set up on the scare floor.
You done yet, Phil?
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo.
They'll never find her door now.
Oh, there's your door.
Almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now. It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo. Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly found the situation set. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded
Nothing to see here. You've all been decontaminated, so you're good to go. You have everything under control now, so even though